Software development approaches. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about aspects of agile approaches and agile software development approaches. So there are several agile development approaches. However, all these agile approaches implement agile manifesto values in different way. So some of the very commonly known agile development approaches are extreme programming, SCRUM, and KANBAN. And all these approaches implement agile manifesto values in different ways. So they share the common manifesto values, but the implementation within these agile approaches is different. Now, the key philosophy or the common philosophy shared between all these agile approaches is collaborative user story creation, retrospectives, continuous integration, planning for the whole release, as well as planning for the iterations or the cycles within the agile software development. So in any of the agile software development practice or approach, there is a lot of collaboration within the team. Team members talk a lot about any of the doubts or clarification required for any of the feature or any of the work that is being done within the team. Because in Agile, the responsibility of quality and delivery lies within the whole team. It's not the responsibility of the small silo of the team or the sections of the team as it used to be in previous development methodologies. So there is a lot of communication and collaboration to plan the work within the iteration and within the release. And then once that planning happens, there is communication and collaboration to work around or to figure out the amount of work required and what needs to be done to deliver that piece of work after the iteration as well as after the release or the planned release. Now, all of these approaches implement agile manifesto values in different ways. So for example, extreme programming implements these manifesto values in different ways, SCRUM in some different ways, and KANBAN in different ways, but the underlying values are still same. So they share, all of them share still the same agile manifesto values. Now for ISTQB certification, Agile Tester certification, the key three key approaches that I'll be discussing is extreme programming, SCRUM, and KANBAN. Now these agile methods are not exclusive. Extreme programming offers an efficient and effective approach to software development. SCRUM mostly focuses on the management of team and the process, while KANBAN is more towards optimizing the flow of work. So I'll cover the detail about each of these agile development approaches in further tutorials. But as of now, to brief about, it's basically all these three approaches have same agile manifesto values, underlying agile manifesto values, and in some organizations you would find that there would be like a hybrid of all these approaches utilized, or there will be KANBAN utilized in some teams within the organization, and then there will be some development team which will be using SCRUM, and then there will be some development team using extreme programming, or there would be teams which would be utilizing the hybrid of all these different approaches.